Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, getting ready to clean the track, so just giving myself something to do. I thought I'd shoot a quick video. So what I use for this is a 3-inch foam roller. It's a finishing roller for like the bottom of a wall, doing the rub panels, things like that. It fits right across the track, as you see. So in any case, let's take a Lysol cleaning cloth, which actually cleans these tracks quite well. And you just roll this cloth around that roller and then just tuck it in on the ends. And it gives you a really, really decent pre-moistened cleaning cloth for the rail. So anyway, I've got a 897. We're going to clean the third rail. So let this go around and just chase it with the cleaning roller. And as I'm pushing this, I'm pushing down on it and slightly rotating it. This also gives you a chance to actually look at the clock or the track straight up or close up, so you can see where the loose joints are. So, as you see, it's effective. It's quick. It's a lot quicker than using that cleaning car, that's for sure. And do that once a week. It really depends on how often you run your trains, of course. But they'll oxide from not using them. They will all oxide, also oxide on the center rail from using the galvanic action. You're sliding that copper contactor across that steel, which creates a spark, which of course creates oxide. So it's a good idea. You'd be really surprised how much faster your trains will run when you have a clean rail to run on. It makes a huge difference having clean track. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. It's simple. It's a really easy way to clean the rail. It only takes a minute. Walk around it once, and you can put a lot of downforce on that roller, so you can really push down on this track. Gets the oxide off. As you see, this is running quite well. It's an old original Marks Consist. Anyway, just a really simple way to clean the track. It only takes a minute. Best of all, of course, is the fact that it works. Like I said, if you do it once a week, you won't have any problems with conductivity in your track at all. As long as your pins are clean and tight, go around and tighten them once a week. That's about what I do. Every time I clean the track, I'm looking for loose pins. I saw some on this track, so I'll go back and make sure those are tight. And anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. Really, really simple way to clean the track that works. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benstrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.